Ukrainian troops are said to have blasted Russian soldiers in a trench and destroyed an enemy BMP tank in a video released by Ukrainian military officials. The Ukrainian military said the attack was carried out by members of the 25th Airborne Brigade of the Ukrainian Air Assault Forces, which boasts BMD-1 and BMD-2 airborne infantry fighting vehicles in its inventory. The Ukrainian authorities joked that this is what the demilitarization of Russian forces looks like. The Center for Strategic Communications said on May 18, "This is what the demilitarization of Russians by Ukrainian defenders looks like." The video of the destruction of the enemy BMP tank was carried out by the 25th Airborne Brigade. The 25th Airborne Brigade said, "We start the morning with good news." The infantry fighting vehicle and the lost occupiers followed the Russian warship at the bottom of the Black Sea. The brigade added, "To be continued, glory to Ukraine." Russian troops invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. May 18 marks the 84th day of the campaign. From February 24 to May 18, the total combat losses of Russian troops stand at around 28,300 personnel, according to the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Between February 24 and May 18, 2022, the enemy's total combat losses also included 1,235 tanks, plus 16 over the past day, 3,009 armored fighting vehicles, plus 34, 586 artillery systems, plus 8, 199 multiple launch rocket systems, plus 1, 91 anti-aircraft warfare systems, plus 1, 202 aircraft, plus 1, 167 helicopters, 2,137 motor vehicles and fuel tanks, plus 28, 13 boats cutters, 441 unmanned aerial vehicles, plus 5, 43 special equipment units, a total of 102 enemy cruise missiles, plus 5, were shot down. In related news, the Russian Military of Defense says 959 Ukrainian fighters from the Azovstal metallurgical plant have been taken to Russian-controlled territory since Monday. Kiev is calling for a prisoner swap for the evacuated soldiers. Moscow says they will be treated according to international norms. The evacuation appears to mark the fall of the strategic port city of Mariupol, completing Russia's land bridge to Crimea and giving it control of the Sea of Azov. Meanwhile, the first war crimes trial in Ukraine of Russian soldier Vadim Shishimrin, who stands accused of killing an unarmed civilian, will resume in Kiev. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.